How to create digital business card in Canva. So if you want to create digital business card in Canva, then first open up your Canva. Make sure to log into your Canva, and once you've opened, now what you need to do is search for digital business card. Once you've searched, here you will have all of the templates of your business card. So you can simply choose any template that you would like. So I'll be choosing this template. Once you've chosen the template, now what you need to do is you just need to go for your logo. You can add your logo right here, and then you can enter the logo name, and you need to enter the name of your company. And then if it is for digital marketing, you can choose digital marketing, or if you want to edit that, you need to go back or remove, press backspace, and it will be removed, and you can add another one. And here you need to remove that, and then you can add your own phone number, and then go for the next. And if you have your email, then simply remove that and enter your email. And then you need to go for the third, which is the website, and if you have any website, then you can simply enter your website. And here on the next, you need to enter the location. So enter the location of your business, and once you enter all of the information, you need to go for the picture, and you can add another picture. So you can add the picture of yours or your business. So you can simply go for uploads, and under uploads you will have your pictures, right? So if it is about the photography, then you can simply choose any photo that you would like, and you can add, or you can simply delete this image, and you can add your image. And that's how you can add the image. And here you can add your logo, your name, and everything. And once you've added that, you can go for the second page, and here you can add your logo. So remove this logo. If you want to remove or delete this logo, you need to go for delete, and your logo will be removed, and you can add your logo. And you can enter the logo name, and that's it. That's how you can make the business card. And you need to go for share to export. Click on the share, which is on the upper right, and then click on copy link, or you can go for a download, which is here, or you can share with people, groups, or your team. So that's how you can make a business card. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.